The Maxi Pro Personal Amplifier from Bellman and Symfon is fully digital with Bluetooth functionality. It helps you with hearing conversations and hearing your mobile. Let's look in the box. Here is the Maxi Pro amplifier. A power adapter with a US plug, a charger cord, a lanyard, a belt clip, and instruction manuals in multiple languages. As you can see, the amplifier is a good size for your hand to grasp. Each button has only one function, which is easy to understand. This is the power button. You can press it to turn on or off the device. To the right is the microphone button that controls the microphone. The button next to it is the Bluetooth button that controls the Bluetooth function. More on that later. We have the volume buttons right here that can adjust the volume easily. The plus will raise the volume, and the minus will lower the volume. You can see the green LED lights showing the volume levels. Below the volume buttons are the tone controls. If you need more treble, press the up arrow. If more bass is needed, press the down arrow. Maxi Pro comes with a pair of headphones or earbuds. Plug it into the headphone port. Then you can listen to the audio from the device. If you have a hearing aid equipped with telecoil function, you can use our neck loop to connect the amplifier to stream the audio to your hearing aid and further boost its performance. To connect the amplifier to your mobile phone, press and hold the Bluetooth button until it flashes a blue LED light. On your mobile phone, go to Settings, and then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on and select Maxi Pro. Now your mobile phone is connected to the amplifier. When someone calls you, you will hear a ringing sound from the amplifier. Press the Bluetooth button once to answer the call. You can hear the phone call from the amplifier and talk back directly without reaching for your mobile phone. Once you are finished, press the Bluetooth button again to hang up the call and return to your previous listening mode. To reject a call, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. Here is how to switch between listening modes. To listen to the conversation around you, press the microphone button. The green LED is on, which means the internal mic is active. To listen to the Bluetooth audio source, press the Bluetooth button. If the blue LED is steady, that means the Bluetooth is connected, but the audio source isn't playing. If the blue LED is blinking, that means Bluetooth is connected and the audio source is playing. When the battery LED begins to flash red, that means the battery is low and it needs to be charged. Plug the power adapter into an outlet. Then plug the charger cord into the yellow charging port. The battery LED will begin to flash green when it is charging. When it is finished charging, the battery LED will have a steady green light. Lastly, the Maxi Pro Personal Amplifier comes with a belt clip and a lanyard. To connect the belt clip, find the grooves on both sides of the amplifier. Place the belt clip in the grooves and it will snap in. For the lanyard, feed the string through the hole on the top of the amplifier. And that is the Maxi Pro Personal Amplifier.